Hello, Chris Green here with the Flood Insurance Guru, and today we're talking about dams. How exactly do they impact your flood insurance rates? How can they ruin your flood insurance rates? We have a lot of communities across the country that have a lot of problems when it comes to dams. And so today we want to talk a little bit about that. What type of flood zone are you in if you have a dam upstream like the one you can see right here behind us in Saylorville Dam here in Polk City, Iowa, where we're at today. As I said, when it comes to dams, these are generally going to be flood zones that are AO 899. And what this means is that the flood insurance premiums with the community, if it's through the National Flood Insurance Program, they're getting different kinds of discounts based on the maintenance of their dams. And so when you see an A99, it normally means that there's a dam upstream somewhere like this one right here that could have a big impact on flood insurance rates, especially if they're not maintained correctly. Then their flood premiums could skyrocket because their flood discounts are downgraded when it comes to the National Flood Insurance Program. Now, when it comes to private flood, they don't discount different premiums based on dam quality or dam maintenance. Only the National Flood Insurance Program does, because they require that for that community to participate in the National Flood Insurance Program. So, if you've got questions about your flood insurance, if you live in an area that has a dam, maybe you feel like it's having too big of an impact on your insurance rates, or you want us to take a look at it for you, please reach out to us. floodinsuranceguru.com. Go to our YouTube and our Facebook channels, The Flood Insurance Guru.